Okay guys, so I started by removing my old nails that I had before and buffing off that excess glue that I had and filing my nails. Then I use the smooth nail side on my filer just to smooth my nails down for application. These are the nails that I use. I will leave the link down for everything in the description below, so don't worry about that. But these are the numbers that I use. And then I just simply apply the glue, which is from the brand Kiss. You want to make sure to hold down the nail as hard as you can just so the glue can adhere to the actual nail and smooth it out as you go along. I then proceed to cut my nails just a bit because they're a bit too long for me, but if you like them like that, then you can just file the tip if you like or make it into the shape that you desire. But yeah, I just cut them and measure how long I want them. I always cut them a little bit longer than what I want to because when you're filing them, they get a little bit shorter, so you want to be careful with that. Then I go ahead and file my nails. I personally like narrow square shape. I really don't know what that shape is called, but it's just, not too blockish, but just like a nice narrow square, a nice in between really square and coffin, if that's a thing. I don't know, but I just love that narrow square look. So I file my nails, make the tip really straight, and make the sides straight, and yeah, that's all I do. Then I just kind of measure each nail just to make sure they are on point and they match. Okay, so these are the two brands of nail polishes. Y'all get what I'm saying. I used, it was emissions of fines, like the perfect brown, so I just bought 3 boxes because I'm impulsive, but yeah. So I already finished one hand. So my best advice for you guys, if you're going to try this at home, is to use thin layers when you are painting your nails with gel, because the thicker that you go, the longer that it will take to cure under the lamp. So always remember thin layers. Now to the fun part, the curing part. This lamp will be linked down below just so you guys know. But I cured for about 90 seconds, but I do suggest you curing for these gel nail polishes for 120 seconds. I think they dry a lot better with more time, so that's just a little tip. I then go on and do a second coat. Again, very thin second coat just so it doesn't get lumpy, it doesn't get all clumpy and ugly. So make sure you do 2 coats of these and do them very thinly. Now for the final step, it's the matte top coat. So I just do 1 coat of this. Try to keep it on the thin side, try to keep it on the medium thick side, you know. You want that coat all over your nails because you don't want any like shiny parts. If that's your preferred look and you do want shine to these nails, then I suggest just a regular top gel coat and it won't mattify. But I love the matte look. I think it's like perfect for the fall. And these are the final results. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember to love yourselves, and I'll see you guys on my next one.